Good evening, my fellow people. Welcome to my channel. How are you today? Uh, yes, I just want to do a little quick video of how to use an HISENSE washing machine. Uh, Already I have one here. This is HISENSE products, HISENSE WTOQ162S. It's a new product in HISENSE company now, and it's a very good one. I can recommend it for anybody that really wants to have this type at home. And quickly, I will be doing a short video on how to use it, and very easy to use. So a lot of people asking question how to use this machine, in which I'm going to do a quick short video on how to use it, so that at least in your home you can help yourself out instead of you waiting for the company to come and set it up for you. Um, Already, I've from the power source, I've on it, and let me start again. Let me put it off. So I've on the power source. From the power source, you can see the cable now, and also I have my cloth inside to wash. So now the first thing, and when looking at it also, already is also connected to water source. We have for the cold, and we also have for the hot water. Now come back to the front here. Now I switch on the power, and from the button you have the button for the temperature, in which you have the one for you have cold, warm, and water. This one shows the type of water you want to use for your washing. So also you have wash button, you also have rinse button, you have spin, you have water level, you have delay, you have program, you have the start button and the power button. Let me take it one by one. For this start and pause button to start washing, and followed by the program. The program contains shows you the type of wash you want to do. If we have for normal, we have for large, we have for quick, we have for delegate, we have for soak, you have it on aqua preserved, thumb clean, or for hair dry. And also you have for the water level to set the water level at which you want to your cloth to be washed, depending on the cloth you have inside. So let me from there start by me. Already my program, I choose normal. Just want to wash the normal wash. Let me choose my water level now. So 2, 3, 4, 5. I think number 6 is okay. Let me use water level number 6, depending on the cloth I have inside. So let me use number 6. Number 6, 6. So I have spin. How many times do you want your cloth to be spin? I think for me 5 times is okay. So on the rinse it once for me. On the wash it 15 times. I think it's okay by me, and I want to use cold water. So get to do that. I'm fine by that. So now I've choose my water level. Also, the machine can also set it up for you automatically, but on your own too, you can set it manually depending on convenience. So like rinse, computer on normal computer may put it at number 2 for you. You want it to rinse it twice, but like me, I want it to be my clothes to be rinsed once. It's okay by me. So now to my program is on normal. Now I've put my clothes. I've put this is where you are going to put your detergent. So then you put your clothes inside. So now what next for me after setting up what I want my machine to go with, then the next thing is for me to press start. Now I've pressed start. When you look at it, so you can see the water pouring. So it's getting its own water by itself. When it get to the normal level of number 6 where I set it to start washing, and when it's finished rolling the machine 15 times according to your settings, then it will drain the water. It will refill the water again to rinse your clothes. After rinsing, it will spin it to dry it for you, and at the end of the day, you are good to go. One thing that is attached to this machine is for you to just do all your normal settings there and leave the rest for the machine. Just go and be doing other things, and before you know what is happening, it will give you sound alarm to tell you that your clothes is ready to be packed. Thank you. If you have this kind of machine at home, enjoy your machine. And if you are aspiring on which one to buy, I can recommend it for you. Go for it and you enjoy your money. Thank you so much. I remain your friend. Like my channel, subscribe, like the video, like the channel, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time for more videos.